What's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Colorful IGame 3070 and I got this from Extreme PC, Chayan again. Last year I bought mining rig from him and this year the graphics card. Now this is the Colorful IGame 3 Fan Edition 3070 that comes with the 8 GB RAM and up to 8K resolution. Now this is an RTX 3070 and the price during the bull market is 1,08,999. But right now it's bear market, as you can know. The prices are slashed up heavily and I got this as a used one, a 1-year-old used, and I got for an amazing deal of 25,500 plus shipping, so I paid around 2,800 with shipping. And let's unbox this one. Last year I got the 3060 for almost 55,000 and that was used as well. Now at that time the price of 3060 was around new was like around 60-65, and so I thought I saved 10k and I got a used one like 10 to 15k. But Chayan helped me out to get to the service center and get it replaced. So there was a fan issue, and on the third year, so I bought a 2-year-old graphics card. On the third year the fan died and I got a full replacement. And now this is just a year old. It has more 2 years of warranty, so I'm pretty satisfied with this, and I know that Chayan will provide me support. And if you want to buy anything from him again, you can definitely check out Extreme PC. So let's quickly unbox this. The unboxing will not gonna be easy. This is a huge box, so let's start. Now let's bring on necessary black scissor and cut the seal off.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but
guys, this is GeForce RTX 3070 NVIDIA. It's from iGame Colorful. Okay, this is the LHR edition, which doesn't matter anymore. You can see the features listed here. Packaging is almost new. I just broke this section, as you can see, and some knife dents here. I was pretty hard at unboxing today, but yeah, overall decent condition. Let's unbox this one.
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Pretty premium box, which is scratchless. Super premium boxing, guys. And this is the 3 fan graphics card, nice and white color. It's pretty heavy actually. As you can see, it's the iGame, little dusty against the used one, that's why. But you can see GeForce RTX 3070. So I will connect this to my mining rig and we'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after a month and I actually mining with this 3070. Pretty good card, it's very good. So there is 3060 and behind is 3070. And now if you wonder why I have kept it like a little bit tilted, it's because there is a button behind the PCI hanger. There's a button, so I couldn't screw that inside a wooden frame, so I have kept it open and have tilted so that it doesn't fall down. Right now I was facing a big issue, like almost a week, where the card was, first of all, it's not booting up, and that was because there's two 6-pin power supply connected there. So I need to actually redo the power supply wiring, because now I'm using SATA cables for the PCI Express slots, the extender, of course, the riser, and I'm using the full power supply for the graphics card. So I'm not using SATA from motherboard, but I'm using SATA from the power supply because I was running out of ports, because this thing requires 2 power connector, which is insane. And then finally it booted up, and then after a day or so it just shut down. And I was figuring this for a week, and then finally it turned out that there was a button behind it. I actually thought it was a riser issue, so I changed the riser. Now I need to change the riser again because I'm using this old riser. I have a new riser, but I thought that was not working, but that was not the case. It was the button which was the issue. But again, as you can see right now, it's on nice hash, mining Caspa. Now I'm getting 741 mega hash for a whooping. You can see the wattage here, which is 111. Now 111 is basically what software recommends, but I have this Portronics power connector and tells me that it's around it's around, I think, 130 or 140 watts, which is good. And this card can go even further. Like right now I'm getting like 461 mega hash on Caspa, that is K heavy hash, but if you go to what to mine, you can see on K heavy hash it can get 600 mega hash. Now this is actually the power saver mode for the 3070, because again there's profitability is not that much, guys. So I am actually mining in the efficient mode, where just using 67 watts, guys, and I'm generating almost 70 to 80% of hash rate, which surprisingly yesterday it was profitable. Right now it's not. So right now if I just go to the nice hash, as you can see, it says generating 60 rupees, 67 rupees a day. Yeah, so that's almost, I would say, profitable, because it's around 2,500 and my electricity bill is around 1,500 for this. So yeah, it is profitable right now, it seems, but this morning I checked out, it was not profitable. So yeah, there's so much transition in the market right now. It's bear market, you know. So I'm actually bought this to basically improve my hash rate per watt of my mining rig, because I actually bought it in the bull run, and I paid like 80,000 rupees for 47 mega hash. So now I got this 3070. I actually got the used one, so this is a used one from China again, Extreme PC. You can definitely check the website out, and it was just 25,000 rupees, which is 50% off 3060, guys. I bought that for 50k, so 50% off. I'm getting 3070, pretty good condition, like in warranty. Yeah, you heard it right, in warranty. And now my whole rig is you can call it 1,05,000 rupees, and I am actually getting double the hash rate. So if I just look at ETH hash, it's 60 mega hash, so 60 plus 47, which is more than 100 mega hash, which is amazing, guys, for see 20,000 more. Now I'm not selling anything, because again, guys, it's bear market. I will wait for the bull run and then I will sell it, and then probably I would able to do the ROI for this machine, which I'm pretty excited. And I see great future in mining. That's why I actually bought another graphics card at the perfect time. Again, it's your choice if you want to invest further. It's kind of a gambling, and if you trust in the system, then yeah, it can be a great investment. Right now, as you can see, it seems to be profitable, but you know, the market is very unstable. It's changing. By the way, I'm thinking to do a desk review again. You can see these amazing texture wallpapers that we launched last year now as a poster. Let me know in the comments down below if you want full desk review. And again, this thing was actually there, but my mom actually put this here, because she said it was difficult to do the cleaning here. And again, this is actually my unboxing table. So again, we have some boxes to be unboxed and reviewed, so that's coming. And yeah, I was super busy this month whole, like it's my birthday month. I was super busy, and with work especially, so I was not able to create videos, but hopefully I will be back and creating amazing videos for you guys, and also updating the mining sheet, the profitability sheet. You can definitely refer to the links in the video description. I will update if I sell any of the assets, and that will basically give you an idea how much I'm generating, or if this thing is even profitable. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the next show if you're not already. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.